How y'all doing today? So listen, I want to talk with you today about the no ratio loan. This loan is designed for people that cannot supply sufficient income to qualify for a loan. Um, the types of people that are needing or inquiring about this type of loan, which we've done a lot of them this year. So I didn't want to talk about it. I have three investors that we do this loan through, and they all have a little bit different guidelines for each one. So I'm going to go over some general guidelines, but if you have a specific situation, don't hesitate to call me and let me know. It's really for like business owners that don't declare a lot of income but have a good business. They have volatile or irregular type of income. Maybe they're retired and on fixed income and it doesn't qualify for what they want. Maybe they're seasonal or they do, a work for like different gigs and they do events and things like that where it's not consistent. Maybe they're realtor investors where they have a lot of write-offs and they don't qualify for a primary or second home purchase. We do have investor loans that are different than this one, more like a debt service type of loan, but that's another video. Maybe they're employees that have cash businesses. They just started the business and they went from W-2 and they've got a good following of customers and they've got a good business going in. Maybe they're transitioning from a recent health or life event where they maybe can't work and they don't have the right insurance in place to help them through, and they need cash to get through this phase. If you're looking to tap into your equity of the home to maybe do some home improvements or some debt consolidation, maybe you've recently got to this country through a legal immigration process. This loan is kind of designated for you. And, or say you went to a bank or an institution and they disqualified you because your debt to income ratio is just too high to qualify for the loan. We can help you with this particular product. It allows us in some cases to go up to, depending on your credit score, up to about 80% loan to value and up to a loan amount somewhere in the $3 million range, again, depending on your credit score and your liquidity that you have. So, so if you're kind of thinking about this loan may fit for you, don't hesitate to call me. Maybe we can discuss your particular situation. If you're an agent watching this, then you have a borrower that maybe may fit this. We can help them and talk with them about it as well. But keep in mind, this loan does not calculate any debt to income ratios, no DTIs for primary and second homes. It also allows for 100% gift funds from a family member. So they don't have to have all the reserves or all the assets for down payment in their own name. They even allow it 1 day out of bankruptcy discharge to get this particular loan. Now, you got to be cognizant of the credit score because there's a minimum credit score requirement for this as well. So like I said, I work with 3 different investors on this. None of them require income. There's no job stated on the application. There's no income source. There's no type of job. There's nothing. It's blank. So so don't think of this loan as maybe a loan where we came out of. I've been in the business now since 1996, and I've seen a lot of transitions, a lot of things, a lot of loans, products coming out in 2006, 2008. We had a lot of problems with these stated loan deals and things which contributed to some of the housing crash. This isn't that type of a loan. This loan is really designed for someone who has really taken care of their credit, has some good assets that have been seasoned at least for 30 days. It has a good business and they just, or a good cash business or a good business that they just started, that they just need kind of a temporary loan to get them through to the next phase, maybe when they can either file their taxes or we can get a different type of loan for them down there in the future, maybe a bank statement loan or full documented loan. So this loan is kind of designed for kind of a bridge from one particular situation to another. It can be used for debt consolidation. It can be used, maybe you did a loan for through a private individual or something in the past and you had a higher rate. We can use this loan to kind of rate and term that into a lower rate. So listen, If you're thinking this loan may fit for you, if you're an agent and you've got clients that you think this loan may fit, or if you're a consumer watching this and you fit this narrative where there's where you have the income struggle to qualify for a home situation, maybe you've been turned down by a bank because of too high DTI, or whatever it may be, don't hesitate to give me a call, 561-373-0987, or click on the Calendly link below, schedule time to talk with me. Let's go through all your challenges, your options. Let's figure out what best loan product is for you. If it's not this one, maybe another one. But if you do schedule a time with me, please text me that you scheduled a time with me with a day and time and your name, your contact information, and kind of what you want to talk about, what's going to be on the agenda, so I can prepare properly when our appointment time comes up. So listen, I do appreciate your time and taking the time to watch this today. If this loan, this no ratio loan, is something that you want to talk about, something that you think may fit your needs, please don't hesitate to give us a call, and we'll walk you through it, give you all the options that you need, and help you get the loan that you need to buy the house in today's market. So thank you for your time. I look forward to talking with you soon. Bye-bye.